I'm just telling you. We check it later.
Big room.